This is the real Jamaican, right back at you again. The rain no start fall yet, and the place a flood out. What we are gonna do? There was a little rain today in Kingston, little over a drizzle, and the entire road on Chesterfield Drive going over to Seaview Gardens was flooded. It's a damn shame, because when you really look at it now, this happened sometime last year, and this is something that never used to happen until the Chinese came and they did that road, that the one with the overpass at 3 miles. And this is the end result. Now, if every time a little rainfall this happen, this no make no sense, because them put that road there for really help with the congestion. And if every time like a rainfall or smaddy ball too hard out there flood, it no make no sense. The National Works Agency is in charge of all road works on this island. So the relevant authorities need to call in back the Chinese to sort out that problem here. Because we in a rainy season, and even after rainy season, if like a rainfall or one pipe bust, a problem out there. So here what Mr. Shaw, you need to call the Chinese them to sort out that problem here.
I can see no vehicle come through this. No vehicle. Look at buckles. Look at plastic buckles. Look. Seaview Garden. Yeah, from the deal with the road, this is what really happening. Anytime rainfall, even for 3 minutes, pan a little pace. I tell you, rough, terrible. Yeah, man. Anytime it falls, it's like this. See, there's a car up here turning back. You can't go through it. You can't go through it at all. Try that picture of the same place. Turn back. You have to
This has been the real Jamaican, back at you. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave a comment. Chat with you, make you know what I go on.